Nakuba idolobha belikhathazekile ngezokuphepha kulamabhishi kepha ivakashi ezibuya kwezinye izifundazwe zitheleke ngomningi zithi zizizwa ziphephile.
They are safe when they are at the pools here. Yeah, there is a lot of guards.
Obviously, I call them a lifeguard, and then like Durban, it's always like on alert, always. So we can't say routine like nyalthemba, especially langap. Yeah, nyalthemba kakhulu.
Ukuphepha olwandle kumqoka kulamaholide.
Definitely safety is the first thing that come in your mind if you come in a place like this, because you don't know, especially for us, it's the first time, we don't know how dangerous it is. So yeah, safety, we take note of safety tips, yes.
Yize iTheku belikhathazekile ngeingane, izivakashi ezihamba nazo zithi ziningi izinhlelo ezenziwe ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwazo.
We are so happy that this year something new that has been introduced. We saw that there are armbands that are given to our kids. They need the parents' phone number and the kid's name so that just in case they get lost, we'll be able to identify the kid.
Yize bekunokukhathazeka ngezokuphepha emabhishi yaseThekwini, ivakashi ezozithokozisa kuleli dolobha zithi kubukeka engathi konke kuhamba kahle kanti futhi zizobuya ngenxa yalokhu.